little baby. Hi. Are you gonna go swimming for the first time in Disney? You don't even know. You don't even know what it is, but you're gonna have a nice time. Yes, you are. Here's Elenora. We are getting ready to go to the pool, and Elenora is gonna go swimming for the first time today. A lot of firsts for Elenora on this trip.
Did we remember the
How do you feel about going swimming, Elenora? You can't wait?
Did we bring the
You gonna eat your sunglasses?
Today's Wednesday. I think it's April 28th, I'm not sure. This is the second full day at Fort Wilderness. Third day, really. Kids playing at the pool with their cousins. Unfortunately, the slide is being serviced, and so it's been closed. It's closed apparently up until May, and because of that, the splash pad is also closed as well. I'm not sure what the connection between the two is, but I would assume that they run on the same pumps. This is the pool at Fort Wilderness, and this is the water slide that is currently closed up until later this month. Huh?
The end of May.
The end of May. This is the construction work that they're doing. As you can see, it's all closed up.
They actually took, when we got here, all the stairs were off, but they put all the stairs on now.
They're the same stairs, or are they new stairs?
They're new, because when we were here, those stairs were not on. It was all ripped off.
Oh. I can see that the handlebars are missing. Over there and up there. They're putting new stuff.
Yeah, it looks like in the back there where it goes across.
Yeah.
It looks like it had broken at some point because they have like a band-aid on it. You see that piece of wood that's going like horizontally?
Yeah.
So they're probably going to rip all that apart too.
But I wonder why that causes the splash pad to get closed too. It's a little, I guess that's like a little dam that they built, and they pump out the water so the repair guys go in there and work. Because I saw somebody in there the other day.
Oh, really?
So, and there's a hose in there, so I'm guessing they pump out the water.
Oh, okay.
Like they have a pump pumping out the water as it slowly comes in and allows them to work.
And what do they have all these bags there for?
Sandbags, I guess.
Well, for what?
To hold it.
Because I stepped on one and I was like, what the heck is this? I didn't even see it, you know?
I don't know.
I'm wondering if that's why in the middle of the day they have to clean out the pool.
Maybe.
Because of this.
Maybe.
Strange.
But as you can see, the place is as lively as ever. They were having dancing before. There's the family. My parents are here, and my sister.
You want to come in? Don't splash. Want to come in the pool?
Grab the float thing.
Can you see her face?
No, her hat's on.
Does she like it?
Elenora. Elenora.
She likes it.
Yay! No, just put
She
it
likes
down.
it.
I got Elenora.
No, put it down for
Just
now.
wait a sec.
Put it down for now.
It is very warm. Yeah, it's nice.
Look at the small world. Alex.
Let me see.
Hi, little baby.
You gave me pop. You put sunscreen on, right, baby? Okay.